Hello, welcome to PH Maths. Number in focus on 12. 12 is the most divisible small number. The reason a dozen is a dozen, the reason a clock has 12 hours, and a frequent answer to highest common factor questions on the GCSE Higher paper. By the end of this video, you'll know why 12 is called highly composite, and you'll have 144 locked in, and you'll spot the 5, 12, 13 triangle on sight. Quick identity check. 12 is even, 12 is composite, 12 is highly composite, meaning it has more divisors than any smaller positive integer. And 12 equals 2 squared times 3, a clean prime factorization. Those factors are what make 12 so useful for splitting things evenly, into halves, thirds, quarters, sixths, twelfths. More options than 10 gives you. Multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 18, 120. 12 has 6 divisors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, more than any smaller number. That's why ancient civilizations measured in dozens, months, clock hours and inches in a foot. 12 divides cleanly more ways than 10. Worth remembering when you're handed a sharing problem. Powers of 12. 12 to the 0 is 1. 12 to the 1 is 12. 12 squared, 144, the famous gross, 12 dozen. 12 cubed, 1,728, also the number of cubic inches in a cubic foot. 12 to the 4th, 20,736. Memorize 144. It's one of the most used squares on the syllabus. Highly composite. 12 has 6 divisors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. That's more divisors than any smaller positive integer. 10 has only 4, 1, 2, 5, 10. 11 has just 2, itself and 1. So 12 absolutely smashes the divisor count for its size. That's why ancient measurement systems chose 12. The Egyptians, the Sumerians and the Babylonians all used 12 for clocks, months and geometry. 12 simply splits better than 10. Key relationships. 12 equals 2 squared times 3. 12 squared is 144, the gross. 12 cubed is 1728, a cubic foot in cubic inches. And here's a beautiful one. 12 equals 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is the perimeter of the 3, 4, 5 right triangle. Plus 12 inches in a foot, 12 months in a year, 12 hours on a clock face. Where 12 actually shows up in your exam, highest common factor questions frequently land on 12. Highest common factor of 24 and 36 is 12. Square numbers. 144 is 12 squared. Memorize it cold. The 5, 12, 13 right triangle is one of the most common Pythagorean triples on the paper. Probability questions use 12-hour clocks and 12-month years, and time conversions all lean on 12. Where 12 hides, 144 is 12 squared, also 16 times 9, also 4 squared times 3 squared, so lots of cancellation roots. 1728 is 12 cubed, 24, 36, 48, 60, 84, all multiples of 12. And 144 crops up everywhere. It's the dozen and one of the cleanest squares to factor. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.